What's up, guys? If you have a 2019 or 2020 RZR XP or XP Turbo and you want to do this eyebrow mod, it's free. It just takes a couple feet of wire and you're done. So stay tuned. I'll show you how to do that. Alright, first thing, you want to locate the plug for your headlight. And there's a little tab on it. You just pull out and lift up. Once you have it out, you'll notice that there's a fourth hole. Well, that's the one that you're going to be hooking up to the right remote wire. So if you look at the plug, it has like that top piece on it. You can see I tried pushing on it. I didn't realize how it came off. But you have to pretty much push outwards on that plastic piece from the open side. If you look, there's the closed back and the other side is open. So you can get a screwdriver or something in there and you just pop it up off of that tab. Alright, once you're done, you get up over those tabs, just lift up and then push it up off of the wire. Yeah, that'll come off. Then in there you'll have a little red plug. Just reach in there with some needle nose and pull that out. Alright, once you have that red weather plug pulled out of the connector, and get yourself some wire. This is just what I had laying around, some 12 volt 16 gauge wire. Pull the end off of it, and then you want to put your weather seal that you can get from another donor connector, or I'm sure you can get it from your auto parts store. There's a video I watched on YouTube that had a link to a connector that had all the pinouts and weather seals and everything. I think it was like 11 bucks on Amazon. But check that out. And then once you have the weather seal in there, put it through. If you have a pinout, then you don't have to do this, but I just kind of ran it through and then split it open so it acts as a female pinout. And then that way it helps hold the wire in there as well. So that's pretty good. Then once you're done with that, then make sure you put your little back piece wire spreader thingy back on there. Now for this procedure, I don't have the accent lighting fangs. So for me, I had to run this wire to ring terminal and then connect that to the remote terminal on the bus bar. There's a process I saw on YouTube. I didn't really study it because obviously I don't have the fangs, but you can wire that to the fangs since those are daytime running lights and it'll still work just the same. But yeah, once you put that back together, then you'll have your eyebrows. So there you have it. We have eyebrows with no low beam. Turn on the low beam, and there they are. So, hope you guys liked the video, man. Hope it helps.